Hi there, thank you for joining me. In this one I'll be showing you what I speculate to be a large disk or dome-shaped object that I found on the Mars North Pole. This is the photograph we'll be analyzing, and I'll include the link to this page in the video description below. Crater on the North Polar Layer deposits. This is the write-up that comes with this photograph. And to quote from it, the crater also contains a patch of bright ice, despite being surrounded by terrain that has mostly lost its ice cover. This seems typical for these polar craters, and it may be that the ice within these craters is protected from ablation by shading from the crater walls. Respectfully, I'm going to disagree with this write-up. Because I don't see this being a crater at all. I don't really see a crater wall either. This doesn't look like the typical hole that you get from a crater. This looks more like a dome, disc-shaped object, and I'll show you guys why I say so. The acquisition date, 18th of August 2008, 25 centimeters per pixel is the scale of this image. I downloaded the JP2 merged RGB non-map projected file. This is from the low-res JPEG, and I've cropped this area to show you guys these ridges and how the sunlight seems to be coming in from the left-hand side, going over towards the right-hand side, lighting up the left of this ridge and leaving a shadow on the right-hand side there. So that's the reference that I have for this sunlight being projected across this area. So if you look at this area here, for example, you'll see the shadows being left towards the right of this ridge, and the opposite side is being lit up, which to me says that this is actually not a hole or a crater, but actually this inner part is actually bulging up, like this could be a dome. And if you look at this rim over here, it looks almost as if this could be a disc that's covered or buried, and it even looks as if it came in at a very low angle and hit the surface and caused this sand or this material to be pushed towards the right. So yeah, I've just converted it to grayscale to show you the shadow that's being cast to the right of this dome-like feature here. And then this looks like a rim of a disc. I don't see the crater wall over here, neither towards this side over here. There might be a slight area that's been pushed up over here, but this doesn't look like a typical crater wall to me. Let me know what you guys think. I look forward to reading your comments below. Yeah, I've decreased the brightness quite a bit, and it really shows up nicely now. It looks almost like a dome. This side over here being lit up, and the right hand side in the shade. So the sunlight's coming in sort of from the left to the right, lighting up the front of this dome and disc, and a little bit towards the back of this bulge. So is this really a crater, or could this be some sort of object that's been covered in sand and snow, some ice? Could there actually be a dome-like structure or object underneath this area there? So let's quickly go over to Google Earth to show you where I found this, what I think might be a dome and a disc. It's right there, very close to the North Pole, 83 degrees north latitude line. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.